Okay, this is the second in the series of restoring photos. Today we're going to go with this guy here. Me as 7 or 8 years old when mother dressed me up as an elf for some school play or something. Anyway, let's first thing we'll do, we're in Nano and we'll restore that. So we'll go down here and click the restoration button here, drag it over, and we're going for a repaired full color guy. So we'll do that, and that takes a little while to do. So we'll come. Okay, so as before, let's have a bit closer look at it, see what happened. So there we are. We've got colorized in this gray and black tunic. Wrong colors for an elf, I reckon, but and a kind of a glowy aluminum foil type of belt and so forth. At any rate, it's done what it's done. And as before, it's been placed in the restoration folder. But at any rate, we can see about editing it. So we'll go up here and get to editing it. Now, what's the first thing we want to do here? Well, let's go into develop, and we'll do the auto adjust, and anyway, we'll go down here to curves just to increase narrow, get the bandwidth in the right place, and put a bit of an S-curve on this to increase the contrast slightly. Okay, so that's looking good. Alright, so next thing we want to do is we want to change the background. So let's go to layer properties and do the masking and do the background removal. And this will take a little while. I'll come back to it when it's okay. It's done now. We can remove the background. That doesn't take too long. So now we have the background there. Now what we want to do is we want to put some type of thing behind the self. So what we'll do is we'll add another layer. And it just so happens I've got a few backgrounds I've loaded up here. Let's put this one right here. We'll go with this enchanted garden. And we'll put that layer there, and let's pop it behind there. Okay, and let's stretch it so that it goes the whole amount. We've got a little bit of fringing here, but for the purposes of this, we're not going to try to fix that up. That would take a little bit of time. Alright, so we've got that. So that's nice enough. So let's just do one other thing on this. Let's just put a slight vignette on it. So we'll put the center of this center of the vignette, kind of a little upper body there. If we go all the way, we can see that. Let's not do that. We just want something to draw attention to the center, not be concentrating on the edges. So anyway, that has transformed that picture. So we're going to export that and we'll put it in repair, and we're going to call that Neo. And we'll write it back to the destination it came from. That we'll have it to compare later on to see, using the XR aesthetic ratings, how good a job we did. Okay, we're now into LM Arena. We have selected Nano Banana as our AI that we're going to use for processing the image. So let's bring the image in. We'll upload our image, and alright, so that's this guy right here. So we'll open him up, and now we want to describe what we want to do with him. Okay, as again, if you have an idea of what you want to do, you can go sequentially and do it one at a time, but I have a pretty good idea of what I want to do here. So I want to repair, colorize, and let's start with that. Let's just do that. So I'll just repair and colorize. We'll start with that. Let's take a little while. Okay, that took about 30 seconds. Let's have a little look what it looks like. Well, that's not too bad. But there's a couple of things I'd like to do, at least in terms of the apparel, and then we'll work on the background after that. So what we'll do is we'll say replace the belt with a leather belt. We'll also make the trousers a lighter green. Alright, so we'll do the background with another thing. So we'll do that, and again, that'll take a few seconds to do, and I'll come back when it's done. Well, that's not too bad, but we had a little bit of surprise there with the tunic. I do want that tunic to be a dark green and the cap to be a dark green as well, so we'll change that, and we'll try to keep it from changing anything else. So we'll say keeping everything else the same, make the tunic and cap dark green, and tunic and cap dark green. And again, we'll come back to this after it takes about 30 seconds or so to process it. Well, it didn't keep everything else the same, but nevertheless, I'm kind of happy with that. I really kind of wanted a dark tunic and a lighter trousers. Alright, well, let's do something about the background. So we're going to replace the background with an enchanted forest. And again, we'll suspend operations for a little while, and we get it. So that's what we got. Let's save that. So we'll and I'm going to call that banana, and I'll change the name later in XR when we do the comparison. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this image and into Neo and refine it a little bit. Okay, so we'll go back to Neo. Okay, we're going to work on this image now and see if we can make it a little bit better. So again, let's go to Develop. We'll do an auto adjust on it. That's like we'll always most of the time start there. And the main thing we see is done in the auto adjust, increase the exposure a little bit, but it's toned down the highlights because it didn't want that to be quite. And I'm going to also, and the contrast, it did a little bit on the contrast, but I'm going to increase the contrast a bit. So I'm going to move that over just a tad and then put our standard little S curve there. Okay, that looks good to me. And we can already check to see. That's what the old one looks like. So you can see, alright. Now, we'll do one more thing. We'll go down to, do a vignette on this. And we'll choose subject tool. We'll start about here. Put it pretty much in the middle. And then go to extreme, see what we get. It's not evil, but it's not, you know, it's a little bit extreme. But at least that draws you into the subject. Okay, and what I'll now do is I will export this. And I'll call it Banana Neo. Basically a combination of everything. So we'll export that. Now we'll go back to XR. By the way, on a reflection from the last little tutorial, Barbara asked me, can I do something about the original best guy here was my grandpa Wade holding this stub of a cigar, and it still had a rating of aesthetic rating of about 55.2 if you believe those type of decimals. At any rate, I gave him a cigar, and there it is, and that took it up to, add enough interest apparently in terms of aesthetics, up to 59. So I guess Barbara's a genius when it comes to what you need to add interest to a photo. But that didn't get us where we go for this tutorial. We'll close that, and then we'll have a look at how these elf pictures turned out. Okay, here we go. We've got the work that we did in this tutorial today, and here's where we started from. Let's have a look at him. Alright, and he started off with a fairly respectable, this is like it would say that's probably a slightly above average happy snap, an aesthetic rating around 41. Okay, let's look at the next one. By taking it into Neo using the restore facility and tuning it up, it boosted it to about 46. Okay, next we took it into Google's product, Gemini Nano Banana, and that boosted up to 54, which makes it probably an above average photo. And finally, when we look at taking the Gemini Nano Banana product and tuning it up in Neo, that took it up just slightly up to about 55. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this tutorial.